I don't know what to say. I feel so awkward. It's been a while since I did this.
So. But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your product bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me.
Hi guys, I'm still coming down from the high of last night. Last night was amazing. It was incredible. I enjoyed every single moment of it. This has been a goal, a dream of mine. I can't even call it a dream, whatever, but it's just been at the back of my mind that I really want to go see them perform live, and this just came at the right time. It couldn't have been a more perfect time for this to happen. So I'm just so grateful. I'm so happy that actually God placed the right person in my life to make me do this for myself, because I know that I wouldn't have been able to do it by myself. Like I was telling my friend yesterday, even if I heard that they had tickets, I wouldn't want to go alone. And she said the same thing. I'm just so grateful that we found each other at the perfect time and we're able to do this for ourselves. 19-year-old me is so happy right now. Like, she's so happy. But yeah, younger me is so happy right now, and I am so grateful that I was able to do that for myself. Like I said, this couldn't have been a more perfect time for this to happen. I had so much fun, screaming at the top of my lungs and everything. I'm surprised that I still have talking voice. Yeah, I guess I've got some strong lungs. Everyone was amazing. I'm talking the guitarists, the drummers, the dancers, the keyboardists, every single one of their team who was there. They all brought the show together. And of course, the main girls, of course, Blackpink, they killed it. So I'm so happy, but I think it's time to go back to reality. And the reality is I've got lots to do. Let me show you this. That is laundry on my bed, so that's washed. I need to put that away, but I don't have space for that. And then this is the mess I made yesterday. So that's my makeup pouch. I need to take it all out and then put it back in my makeup box. My purse I took out yesterday. That's a white purse. It shouldn't even be on the floor. And then my jacket I wore yesterday, and then I have clean laundry, and then I also have clean laundry. Majority of that is sportswear. I need to put that away into this dresser, but I have literally no space. And then let's not even talk about this one. One of my paintings literally is behind the dresser, so I need to move that dresser and get it back up, and then yeah, take care of whatever is going on top of that. And I have my shoe from yesterday. As you can see, it's a lot of things that I need to do today, so let's just get right into it.
Hey, how's your day? I don't know if I'm interrupting what you say. I've got to know if I've been MIA. I can make it up to you right now. What you say, you should know. I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I could take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah. I see more life when I'm with you. Don't be frowning, baby. You know I love you time and time again. Yeah. I've been trying lately, but I'm not perfect. I've been searching, then you came into my life. So I'm done making my mind up now, 'cause you've been spinning my head around. I only want you, baby, that's the truth. 'Cause I see more life when I'm with you.
guys. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, so I was just trying to iron my trousers, and the last time I used this iron was when I was going for the Blackpink concert, and it didn't work on my skirt because my skirt is linen, so it was still creased after all of the ironing I did. Come to find out today, about to use this iron, that it was a steam iron all along, because someone told me to use a steamer or like wet the clothes before ironing it with a regular iron, and come to find out that I had a steam iron all along, just didn't know how to use it. And also, what a way to come back to say hello to you guys, but I haven't even done my hair. I don't think I'm going to put on makeup. I shouldn't be doing this. I should probably be looking for other solutions, or at least styling my hair while I think about my wardrobe. But the truth is, I don't even know what I have, so we're just going to see what I go with at the end. So this is the outfit. I'm just waiting for my bus to be closer so I can walk to the bus stop and then go and meet my friend. I don't know what to say. I feel so awkward. It's been a while since I did this, so but I hope I have fun, and I'll catch you guys later. I don't know if I'll be able to film outside because, you know, I'm not really much of a public vlogger, so let's go and see.
Once you get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper. Once you get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa.
It's been a minute. I got back from the gym, I think almost an hour ago, and now I'm going to go and make cookies for my friend. So last time I made cookies, I told her I was going to make her some, and she's going to pick them up tomorrow. So I'm going to make them today, so tomorrow I can like relax and chill. So that's my agenda for today, make cookies. But I'm not going to film the ones I made today because I made cookies a few days ago and I actually recorded the whole process. So that'll just be the clip in this video. But it's been a while since I vlogged and I'm just piecing everything together. I'm not really like going in any direction. I don't even know what the title of this vlog is going to be. But it's just life, and I am just going with the flow at the moment, so let me get to baking. I just have to show you guys how different this butter is looking from my last one. I browned the butter this time, and I kind of regret not filming the whole process now because this is looking way better. But I'm going to add my flour and everything now and see like how it's going to look the more I add to it, if that makes sense. But it's so smooth and creamy. It's looking like caramel. I think I just made caramel. I don't know.
They come out one at a time as they fall on deaf ears at quiet times alone. What we rehearse them in the mirror, waiting for the time to be right. When we know the strength inside will match the strength we show, but it's hard enough to face the face who's always staring back. But there's nothing to be ashamed of. We're just being what we're made of, and it comes out in the quiet, between the times we speak, between the times we think we know we're right, between the times we constantly checking if what we're about to say is really what it's worth. Is it our 2 cents, or is it nonsense? All these things that we've unearthed, but they've come from inside us, and we can no longer hide this. It's bursting at our seams, 'cause our dreams, they confide in us. There's nothing to be ashamed of. We're just being what we're made of, and it comes out in the quiet, between the times we speak, between the times we think we know we're right, between the times
This is what my cookies look like, and I'm going to show you the other bowl. I think I might have burnt it a bit, but it's fine. I could have fit like 2 more in here, and I especially love how those 2 are looking. It's definitely filled with chocolate on the inside. This one would be the one filled with the most walnut, probably. But yeah, I'm going to steal this like it's not part of that, and just roasted walnut is really nice. So these are all milk chocolates, but then I think I burnt this because this is the white chocolate ones, and I might have burnt it a bit, but it's fine. Hopefully when it cools down it's going to be better.
There's nothing to be ashamed of. We're just being what we're.
I'm done.
Hey, how's your day? I don't know if I'm interrupting what you say. I've got to know if I've been MIA. I can make it up to you right now. What you say?